My name's Don, with the maintenance side of the rail set up here at Port Pirie. Well, I was fortunate that I had a guy here. He was an old engine driver and he was quite a good tutor as far as learning to drive this. He explained everything that went on with it. So after about 4 or 5 drives on it, didn't take long.
The old Port Pirie station here. This is the old waiting room.
Yeah, well, my name's Hugh Williams, and I'm from the South Australian Railway Modelers Association, which is a club based in Adelaide. The reason I'm up here in Port Pirie is just to help Ken and Paul Nitz and Belinda Jackson, who is in the Port Pirie Regional Council, get the Model Railway Club up and running again. And judging by the number of people here today, it'll certainly be up and running again. Port Pirie Model Railway Club on the platform here has 8 very long tracks going around quite a, what is it, about 25 by 12 layout. There's all sorts of different people interested in model railways, and I think Port Pirie Model Railway Club would love to see any of these sort of people, as long as they're interested in trains. Come along, join in, perhaps run a few on the layout, perhaps learn to make some. That's what the hobby's all about.